Push-button single-color DALI controller. DALI signal output. Enables to select and control one DALI group from total 16 DALI groups. Enables to select and control 4 DALI scenes from total 16 DALI scenes. DALI bus powered, no extra power supply required. DALI input. DALI master signal output connect to LED dimmer and switch. DALI master connect to the computer with USB. DALI bus interface. Addressing. This is the first DALI single-color LED dimmer. We have set 4 scenes for it. Set it to group 0. Click right to save setting. This is the second DALI single-color LED dimmer. We have set 4 scenes for it. Set it to group 1. Click right to save setting. This is the third DALI single-color LED dimmer. We have set 4 scenes for it. Set it to group 2. Click right to save setting. This is the fourth DALI single-color LED dimmer. We have set 4 scenes for it. Set it to group 3. Click right to save setting. Done! We can control LED dimmer with switch now. When group rotary switch is at position 0, the controller controls all the DAL groups. Broadcast mode. Off. On. Brightness down. Brightness up. Scene 1. Scene 2. Scene 3. Scene 4. When group rotary switch is at position 1, the controller controls DAL groups 0. Off. On. Brightness down. Brightness up. When group rotary switch is at position 2, the controller controls DAL groups 1. Off. On. When group rotary switch is at position 3, the controller controls DAL groups 2. Off. On. When group rotary switch is at position 4, the controller controls DAL groups 3. Off. On. Save scenes. You can also adjust the brightness you want. And press and hold down button S2 until LED indicator on the panel flashes, which indicates the scene is saved in S2 successfully.